Hello and welcome to BoardgameNinja. This is a quick refresher for the game Love Letter, a run through of the rules in just 3 minutes, so you can start playing straight away. Let's dive right in. Love Letter is a modern classic in which you are suitors for the princess. After her mother's arrest, the princess has locked herself in the palace, so you have to rely on intermediates to carry your love letter to her. You hold one secret card in your hand. This is the person that holds your love letter at the moment. The higher the number, the closer they are to the princess. At the end of the game, you want to hold the person in your hand who is closest to the princess, so your letter will get there first. The game consists of only 16 cards. Shuffle them and make a draw pile. Take the top card and put it away in the box, unseen. Now each player gets a single card with a character on it. The number shows how close this person is to the princess. The higher the number, the closer you are. At the end of the round, the highest number wins the round. Each character has an effect you must apply, even if it is bad for you. When it is your turn, you draw a card and decide which card you keep and which you discard. Apply the effect of the card you discard immediately. The guard lets you pick another player and name their card. If you are correct, that player is out of the round. The priest lets you look at another player's card. The baron lets you choose another player and secretly compare hands. The player with the lower rank is out of the round. The handmaid makes you immune to the effects of other players until your next turn. The prince makes you choose another player. That player discards their card without applying its effects and draws a new card. If everybody is protected, you must choose yourself. The king lets you trade the card in your hand with the card of another player. The countess does nothing when discarded, but she must be discarded when you have her and the king or the prince in your hand. So you might use her to make other players think that you have the king or a prince. The princess herself has the highest value, but if you discard her card for any reason, you are out of the round. The round ends when you are the only player left in the round, or when at the end of a turn, the draw pile is empty. All players who are still in the round compare their cards. The player with the highest value wins and gets a token of affection. Shuffle all the cards, discard the top card again, and start a new round with the next player after the winner of last round. You win Love Letter if you have enough tokens of affection to win over the princess. Now you're ready to start playing or play again. Subscribe so you can find us again for the next time. Good luck and game on!